Well guys, welcome to Live Painting with RAEART. Today we're going to just go ahead and slap it down, so join me. Let's get this canvas ready. What should we paint today, folks? We're just going to go ahead and try to slap it down and make it happen, man. How do you make your way to the kitchen? Wait, I gotta make a video. Let's go ahead and slap it down. Alright, we're back. No time for kitchen nonsense, no time for food. We gotta turn this into something good. So guys, I don't know what else to do at this point. We're gonna just modify it, turn it into something funkadelic and crazy. So let's go ahead and roll that time lapse. Is it possible to be in another existence right now? Well, yes it is. I'm tired of this nonsense, she says to herself. But the painting must go on. Paint me! If you want to learn how to paint other things, then check out more of my videos on YouTube. I do a lot of how to paint tutorials on shading, what brands of paint I use, the brushes, all that stuff. So you can find it all on the line. Before we get started on this painting, of course, I just want to give a shout out to my clothing line I started, kind of thing, on Teespring. There should be a little thing below the video that has different clothing designs I made with there's some caps, there's some posters, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Check it out if you get a chance. There's some cool merch added to the RAEART merch line of greatness for you to enjoy. Also, check out my website for awesome paintings that I have created over the past little while. And that's at darrenray.com. I did have a link to raeart.ca, but it doesn't seem to work a lot of the time. So it's darrenray.com. Check it out if you want some paintings, and I sell my work there. Here's what I did a few days ago. I used the oil pastels, and it's got my signature ladders in there. It's just a funky kind of Picasso style kind of thing I did. So anyway, there you go. So let's get back to painting this. We are procrastinating. Do you know that word, procrastinating? Where you keep going on and on and on. Oh. So this is another painting I did about a week and a half ago. It's also for sale on my website. You can check it out. It's got silver paint marker, gold paint marker. It's acrylics. It's very interesting. It's nice. It's a beautiful picture. Eep, eep. Freezing up. Winter is here. Winter is here. Paint me.